Am I audible? So, I'd like to introduce myself. I am Santanu Dutta. I represent SAP. I am the partner business manager for Eastern Bangladesh. So, in short, I look after the business that is being done through the partner channels, so channel community out in East India and Bangladesh. I don't believe that I would like to maybe tell you more about what is SAP. Everybody knows as a brand what is SAP. So my limited session out over here, I would like to just hop upon the points. How does SAP benefit the SMEs? And that too specifically maybe I'm in the Eastern market. I've been in this market for last around 15 years, working with specifically the SMEs for the last around 10 years. I know the pains, what the SME segment they have. I've worked across organizations selling hardware, selling cloud, and now selling SAP solutions. So I will take you slide by slide, and maybe we can just discuss on and maybe have an interaction session that how SAP can benefit the SME segment. You see the major chunk of the organizations who are generating business apart from the big conglomerates or the big industries are the SMEs. And as per research, we have found that out of the 804 companies employing more than 1,000 personnel or less, this is on the basis of research, that they have certain aspirations and ambitions. Now it is the data that we compile, it is across industries. So we are going to be talking on a generic part, not very particular to any specific industry. So let's say what the aspirations or the ambitions are, we are going to talk one by one. You can see that around 90% of the organizations surveyed, they say that we are ambitious. And the balance 46% they said we are very much ambitious. So there is a difference between ambitious and very much ambitious. If we categorize on the ambitious part, we find out over here that 1 in 6 of the organizations, out of these 90% organizations, they define their ambition by saying that I am going to increase my revenue by more than 50%. That is their ambition. For the organizations who consider themselves on the 46% as very ambitious, they say that the growth over the next 2 years is going to be more than 50%. So there are two types of sets of organization who say they are both ambitious and very ambitious, but both these organizations have got different aspirations. In the Indian scenario, we see that the ambition portion is defined by saying that somebody wants to achieve a growth, somebody wants to achieve a customer success, or maybe through the customer handling process, and somebody would like to improve their business improvement or business processes. So the percentage is accordingly defined as for the achieving growth is around 34%, for the customer success it is around 44%, and for the business improvement is around 12%. So this comprises the 100% of the people who are looking at for an ambitious growth. If you see for the ambitions of growth, what are the key parameters? Somebody says that I want to increase my revenue. That is constitutes around 50% of the people. There are some people who are saying that I want to increase or introduce my new product lines to cater to the market and to be competitive in across the world. And out of another 42%, they are saying that they plan to expand beyond the current geographical territories. Many of the organizations, they are happily doing business within their own constrained geographies, with their own product lines, with their own customer base. But if they want to be ambitious, they have to cross all these boundaries. They have to grow. How do these ambitious customers, they improve their business? 56% of the customers, they are saying that we want to increase our business by increasing the efficiency of the employees. and around 58% are saying that we need to adopt or respond to the changes in the marketplace, which is happening basically on a regular note and is being dictated by the major corporates or the conglomerates. How do you define the customer success which the SMEs are looking at? 64% of the organizations, they are saying that they need to deliver products on a time and standard note. Example we can say is the many vendors of Flipkart or Amazon who have come as a business partner of these entities, who are being rated by the customers to whom they are being delivered the materials or goods. So if you take that organization as an SME, they would like to introduce or expand better services by giving quality customer services. Another 50% of the organizations, they say that they want to understand the customer needs better. By understanding customer needs better, these organizations are going to give a better customer response and accordingly do a modification of the business rules and play as per the rules of the market, which is being dictated again by the big players. Another 39% is saying that I want to introduce and improve through services my customers' lives. A very typical example it can be said that again from a e-delivery point of view, that I give to my customer a better service by maybe giving or producing a product or selling a product and doing a delivery one day before the customer has even contracted for. So by the way, I am going to improve their lives by giving them a better customer experience. That okay, things happen before time also in India. Also, these customers, they want to improve the employees' lives. Everybody is nowadays saying that I want to give my employees a better environment to work for, give them better technology so that they are efficient, and I want to make their lives more easier so that they enjoy their work. 26% of the organizations also want to make an impact out in their society through CSR activities. And another 90% want to contribute through charitable causes, another form of CSR activity. So, in order to do all these things, we find that technology is needed. How technology is going to be useful to these customers? 84% of the customers or maybe the SME organizations, they are saying that using technology has resulted in real-time benefits. Real-time benefits is like a data processing. Real-time benefits is giving the customer a better experience. Whilst another 75% they say that by using technology, they are being able to differentiate between their competitors, their peers, and also maybe the leaders. And if they want to do business across the world, they are known as a technology organization and their vendors, they are asked to embrace hands on a faster note. While another 69% they say that since they are the first adopters of the technology, they are the forerunners in the market. They can go and command a certain size of the market. So, this is the way we believe that technology will be helping the SME customers in taking their business forward and making themselves a note or maybe a small ripple in the pond among the big players out in the market. With this, I would like to end my short speech. Thank you, everyone.